وإلهي مهدي ما انتبه هدية متانون نغنو كل عاشقا. Salam. Maanta waxaan samaynayaa my first ever YouTube video. Just like to do that intro bit in Somali. So hadda waxaan anu samaynayaa kolba dadna way sameeyaan. So today I'm going to basically be doing how the Somali men are trying to holla at the Galdem and it's not working, but like seriously it's so funny. So first and foremost, the first one is like staple all around them, mostly by the American lot. Yeah, you Americans better stop this movement because it is so bad. And it is, hey, قرحليدا, I want to make you my wifey. Like, قرحليدا. I absolutely hate it. What, like, it's just horrible. Like, stop. Like, you're not gonna be like with me if you're gonna be calling me قرحليدا. It's just, nah, I can't deal with it. Like, it's like a book that you got out of like that guy Fuad Umar that used to sing that song, but I just do not like قرحليدا. Second, which I hate as much as the first, is from all the men who want a green card in Somalia or raba ma aragtayin gabar halka kheento oo ka soo kaxaysa Somalia. It's always the same. Aboy maan adiga aad baan ku jeclay aad iyo aad wallahi aad iyo aad baan wallahi ku jeclay naftayda ku doonaysa naftayda ku rabtaa, which basically translates into I want a fucking green card. Like, it's horrible. I hate. So if you send me one more message saying I will delete and block your ass, okay? I will kick your ass. If you remember Mohammed Barstabol's funny thing, I will kick your ass, Bankulay. Honestly, I just do not want it anymore. Third, I love you. I love you. I do not want your ubah, which is flower in Somali. I do not want your love. I don't want nothing from you. Please take several away from me. Like, you disgust me. If you say I'm just gonna assume that you're a 50-year-old man that is catfishing, like trying to catfish me, and like is just like putting like no one is about that life. No one wants you. I'm doing this video because like obviously it's part of the I Heart Consent Week, which is happening at my uni, and like it's just horrible. I hate the way you guys holla, so stop. It just needs like actor look at me, please. It's horrible. If you're gonna actually holla at a girl, just do it like the way you wanted to do it. Imagine you were a girl, and I mean like Somali egos, all you men are gonna be like, oh man, let me just tell you, we do not like that shit. We do not like it. And to finish off, I am gonna put on my favorite song, which is Matano by Holla Abdurrahman and her husband Mohammed Alta, which is so good, and it's called Matano.